What is epic fantasy? Epic fantasy, in my mind, is a set of series with multiple POVs, is set in a different world or set in our world itself with different rules, have different magic systems. So here are some of my epic fantasy recommendations for you guys. Do you want to guess who the first one on my list is? Well, if you guessed Brandon Sanderson, then you are right. The whole catalog of books written by Brandon Sanderson is epic, especially his Cosmere series. Now, if you want to know the reading order of Cosmere series, I have posted and pinned it on my profile. You can go through that. Next one on my list is Rick Riordan. Now, wait. Some of you might say that he doesn't write epic fantasy. Well, I might disagree with you. He writes books that span across series. He has multiple POVs. He has gods and different magic system based on different mythological. Take for example Percy Jackson series, connected with Heroes of Olympus series, connected with Trials of Apollo series. Now, this is just the 3 series, but there are 2 more. If you are not satisfied with, you'll get the Kane Chronicle based on Egyptian mythology. You'll get Magnus Chase based on Norse mythology. The next one on my list is the queen of character writing. I'm talking about Robin Hobb. Now, her character feels so real to me that you just want to care for them. You care for them so much that if they do any stupid mistake, you'll point out and say, "What the hell are you doing? Why this stupid mistake?" I'm talking about none other than Fitz in Farsight trilogy. Now, I've read the Farsight trilogy. I loved it. It might have taken me some time to go through the whole series, but at the end, I'm just a fan. Next on my list is a recent book that I've read, Rise of the Ranger by Philip C. Quantrill. His books are epic level books, like the Echo Saga, along with the Ranger Archive, along with Time of Dragon. These 3 series are based on this world. They have multiple POVs, different species, and I've just read one book only, and that made me a fan. Last but not the least on my list is Wheel of Time by Robert Jordan. Now, this book has been on my TBR for so long, and I have been postponing reading it. I just know that I will love it, and I don't know why. I haven't read it yet, I haven't seen the show, but I know that I will love it. It's just my prediction. That's it for my epic fantasy recommendations. Now, if you guys have some more epic fantasy recommendations for me that you love, comment down below.